A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. Our life wouldn't be like if we did still have your born animal sacrifice for God day after day after day for we sin them. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And of course, if you not click the subscribe button yet, go and go do it now, no? And the notification bell too. To make sure so you not miss none of what are going on. Right here, so. Today, we're going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 7 from verse 11 to verse 28. God did give the Israel people them the law. The priest them did come from Levi family, and them did important to the law. Now, if the priest them from Levi family could have do all what they did for do, what different kind of priest wouldn't have to come? One way turn like a Melchizedek, and when you come from Aaron family. Not true. When God changed the kind of priest we come, the law must change too. Him, Melchizedek, where we are talking about, him come from one different tribe, and nobody from that tribe there never walk as priest at the altar yet. Because everybody must know already, say a Judah will Lord come from. And Moses never say priest are going to come from that tribe there. And all I always say, that clear, if somebody like a Melchizedek come turn priest, and him not come turn priest, say the family when come from, like how the law said for go. Him turn priest cause him can't dead. And that powerful. Cause God would say, you are going to turn one priest forever, just like a Melchizedek. So the first law put one side, cause it nay what nothing, and it couldn't do what it did for do. Cause the law couldn't make nothing turn all way for turn. But now, God give us something better for look forward to, and that bring we close to him. And God name make him priest, and no make one promise too. Indeed make one promise. But the other priest them did turn priest, and he name make no promise. But Jesus did turn one priest when God promised him say, me, the Lord, promise say, you are going to be one priest forever. I may now go change my mind. And cause God I'll make promise with Jesus, this sure say Jesus make the promise where God give it better than the old one, for sure. No, a whole heap of priests did have. Cause priests would have dead, and so other priests would have to come take over. But cause Jesus now not dead, him a got turn priest forever. And nobody now take over from him. People can come to God sake of him, and him can save them people there forever and ever. Him can save them forever because him not dead. So him can always talk to God for them. Leader for priests we come in like Jesus are really the kind of leader for priests where we need. It make God happy in every kind of way. Him not do nothing wrong. Him never sin. Nobody can blame him for nothing. God make him different. Him not come in like a sinner people. And God raise him up higher than all heaven. Him not unlike the other leader them, for the priest them. They have a burn sacrifice for them own sin. And then for the people them sin, day after day after day. No, sir. Him sacrifice himself give God one time for everybody. And I hate that. The law give people were weak and where we do wrong position for turn the leader for priest. But the promise where God make, we come after the law, that promise there, make the boy Pitney leader for the priest them. And him turn the one we can do everything where him supposed to do forever. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.